Guys, I'm gonna apologize for some background noise. We got our cousins here, and they're kind of freaking out right now. We're under a tornado warning. The thing is back building like I freaking thought. It was getting awful windy out there. I do apologize also for this video is kind of crazy, guys. So I'm gonna keep this up here, and my mom's getting pretty mad, so I'm gonna go downstairs. Hopefully the iPad doesn't blow away. Let's actually see where this. That is us, so.
At 1:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lake Lackawanna, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Leah Summit, Blue Springs, Green Valley, Up Road, Lake Lackawanna, and Parsley Lakes.
Yes, like I said, that's.
This includes Interstate 470 between
I'll see if it says anything about the lightning with this cell.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following county: Jackson, Missouri.
30.
The flood warning can be...
Okay. So, I guess I'm gonna go downstairs. I don't know why they got our sirens going off. It is east of us. Let's see what time it is. My gosh. Okay, it's only 1:18. I'll run down there. See if they need anything. Okay. I'll be back probably when the sirens shut off.